This is a concrete block house on St. Pete Beach. It's a modest 1,032 square feet, two bedroom, one bath, built in 1956 by my parents. Hurricane Helene was tough on our island and even worse on Treasure Island, pushing feet of sand onto the streets. Is this the new norm? The base flood elevation is 12 feet. Not wanting to get into the particulars of the Fema 50% rule, it seems inevitable that in the long run, these houses will have to be raised out of the floodplain. This is my plan. I would appreciate comments about the choice of materials. I need a very rigid connection between the first floor and the second floor that sits directly on the concrete blocks of the first floor. Rebar, poured concrete, and any kind of external column would be nice to reinforce the joint. I'd like to know about the feasibility of pouring the floor on the second floor. I hear good things about SIP construction, both with the foam on the outside with a center concrete core, or wire mesh reinforced stucco over a styrofoam core. Maybe some sort of stick built metal construction for the octagon third floor. Needless to say, if I can keep it from drowning, I don't want it to blow away. If there are homeowners and contractors that are dealing with building up concrete block homes like this, I ask you to share your experience. Thank you very much. Best wishes,